Hey guys, Menchi here. Today I'm going to show you a track. I decided to make something like a Brazilian funk, but it sounds more commercial. I know there are a lot of tracks with the commercial vocals, but sounding like a Brazilian funk, because Brazilian funk it's more aggressive genre, but this my version is more commercial. You can listen to them maybe on TikTok or other platforms, but let me show you what I made. By the way, all the process you can check. I'll leave the link in the description where I started. I speak other language there, as you know, but anyway, you can watch all the process how I made it. So let me show you what I made here, and I'll explain what I used in this track. So it sounds like that. By the way, there are a lot of tracks that sounds like 1 minute and a half, maybe less than 2 minutes, something like that. Not so long arrangements. So let me show you what I have here. Basically we have these percussions like from Brazilian funk. You can check all the packs. By the way, I used Splice to find some drums there, because there are a lot of packs in Brazilian funk. It sounds something like that. I decided to use loops. It's not my genre at all. I like house music, but I decided to make something like that in the new genre for me. Let's check what we have here. We have the kick. I decided to use just one kick and make here something like the kicks here and there. We have the straight rhythm, we have the break rhythm, and we have other kick here, something like that. I decided to use these drums. But by the way, there are a lot of bugs in disciple samples. I guess it sounds like that. There are a lot of cool drums you can easily find on Splice. Also, I decided to make something like that. It's something like a percussion. Let me show you what I used here. I used just one channel for the kick. because it's the instrument sounds something like on the top, something like that, and I use a lot of these send channels. Actually it's sidechain channels, so if you you should use a limiter in the FL Studio. We have the main channel, then we can choose the channel we need to be sidechained, and we tap on the right mouse click, then sidechain to this track. So if you see, we have a limiter almost all the channels. Yeah, and if you don't know, it's something like that. We need to type sidechain to this track, then go to this channel, choose limiter, choose the compressor mode and sidechain. Here you see the one marker, something like that. We need to make a threshold and knee like that to make a sidechain. If we make something like that, there will be a really deep sidechain. I'll show you. If we make something like that, and it will be something like light sidechain. So let me show you. Maybe on a sub bass we have the kick like that, and we have this sub bass. Actually it's something like 808 bass. And what we have here, if you check the limiter, actually we can see when the kick comes in, something like that, and it's it gives something like organic sidechain linked to the kick. If we have kick here, like a straight rhythm, if we make something like that, it will be a really deep sidechain. It sounds awful, I know. If we have something like that, we hear some distortions. We don't need them, and that's why I made something like that. Also, we have the same thing on the mid bass. We have this second channel. Yeah, it sounds like that. And of course, if we don't have a long bass or a lot of kicks, by the way, like here, one kick per bar, we see just a sidechain on the particular notes, something like that. So that's how I made sidechain in this track. Then we have wrist bass. Actually it sounds like a cool atmosphere pad. We have wrist bass. By the way, here we have in the second break the kick sounds like that. We also have sidechain for this wrist bass. We have this pad. Actually, it also should be sidechained here. Something like that. By the way, we don't have sidechain here, of course, we should make it. Also, we should make sidechain to this track, compressor 1 and something like that. It's something like we have a kick and other instruments sidechained. Actually, I made it even on the drums, heads, etc. Something like a light sidechain, also to make this effect. We have here this plug. I would use something like a Phonk bell or cowbell, but I decided to use a square plug here. We have these vocals. I decided to make +3 semitones to make it, I don't know, something like more format. So anyway, you could follow. Because there are a lot of tracks with pitched vocals, it sounds like that. So let me show you the bass section. We have the bass here, like on the bridge. And the main bass sounds like that. There are more layers here. Actually, we have sub bass and 3 mid basses. It sounds like that. You can use the basses like a slap house basses, but with more distortion. Actually, it works in the Brazilian funk. So we have this section of the fixes. By the way, these reverses is a really cool feature in the Brazilian funk. Maybe I should use this bass and make a reverse note using this note, but I decided to use just other bass from Vengeance and reverse this one shot, something like that. So let me know what do you think, guys, about this track, about this genre. I know I'm not so professional in this genre because I like house a lot, but I tried to make something like that. Anyway, feel free to type in the comments how do you like it or not. Anyway, I'll upload this project to my Patreon and Boosty. The same content there on these 2 platforms. Just use your favorite, and you can check this project. Maybe you want to make something like that in this genre. You can use my template to make something like in your genre, something like that. So Menchu was here. Bye bye, guys.